What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're cooking short ribs. Super easy recipe and so delicious, and we're gonna get right into it. But first, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so we're gonna start chopping up our vegetables. I have 1/2 of a green bell pepper, a red bell pepper, and 1/2 of a yellow onion. And we have here 4 cloves of garlic. Okay, first things first, you already know we're going in with some Creole seasoning. Alright, now we're adding in some garlic powder. Alright, now we're putting some onion powder in here. Now I'm going to be adding some black pepper. And this right here is some thyme. Okay. And just take a look at this, guys. You can already tell how flavorful this is going to be. Love it. Smells so good already. Oh, okay. I'm gonna add the rest of these in there right quick. Alright guys, so we're going to let these brown on both sides on medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. Alright guys, so it's time to flip the meat. Alright, so now we're going to be removing the ribs from the pot, and we're going to set it off to the side. And we're going to start sauteing our vegetables. So we're going to be putting in our onions and bell pepper, not the garlic just yet. And we're going to saute this on medium heat for about 5 minutes, or until they're really, really soft and translucent. And stirring consistently so that it doesn't stick to the pot. Adding in the garlic. And we're going to just let this saute for about 1 minute because we don't want the garlic to burn. And now I'm going to be adding in about 1/3 cup of cream of mushroom. And I'm going to give this a stir. So now I'm going to be adding some chicken broth. So I'm going to stir this a little bit, and we're going to turn the fire back up to medium-high heat. Those ribs back in here. And now I'm just making sure that all the ribs are submerged into the broth. So like I said, I turned the fire up and it's now on medium-high heat. I'm going to add the top and let this go for about hour and a half, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so it's already been 40 minutes and I just wanted to give you guys a look. It's not done to my liking yet. It's not quite as tender as I would like it. And like I said, it's only been about 40 minutes. So we're gonna let this go for another 20 to 30 minutes. And I'm just gonna be adding in about 4 cups of water. We already added in 4 cups of chicken stock. If you wanna add more chicken stock, instead of adding water, go right ahead. But I just like the balance of the chicken stock and the water. So we're cooking this on medium to high heat. I'm going to cover this and let it go for another 20 to 30 minutes, and I will be back. Okay guys, so it's been about an hour and 10 to 15 minutes and it is all done. As you can see, the meat has fallen off the bone and it's super tender. Just taking out some of these bones. I mean, not all of them. Ain't nothing wrong with a little bones in your gravy. It adds some character. Okay guys, so I'm gonna just grab a plate and we are gonna be eating this over some white rice.